Hi students, welcome back to my class. It's Mofida Khatun going to teach you the lesson 14, that is ecosystem, and today my topic is ecological pyramid. So first we have to know about what is ecological pyramid. An ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of the relationship between the different living organisms at different trophic levels. The idea of ecological pyramid was developed by Charles Eaton in 1927. So it is also know that ecological pyramid is also called Eatonian pyramid. So now we will learn about types of pyramid. There are on the basis of ecological parameters, there are three types of pyramid: pyramid of numbers, pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of numbers can be upright, inverted. Pyramid of energy always upright. Pyramid of biomass upright or inverted. So we will learn about number of pyramids. See here, it is a graphical representation of the number of individuals present at each trophic level in a food chain of an ecosystem. And I have mentioned before in the last slide that pyramid of numbers can be upright or inverted. And one example is given here. In a grassland ecosystem, the pyramid of number is upright. In this type of food chain, the number of producers plant is followed by the number of herbivores, which is in turn followed by the number of secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. On the other hand, in a parasitic food chain, the pyramid of number is inverted because here number of producer is less than that of tertiary consumer. See here one graphical representation of upright pyramid. This is one of the upright pyramid and pyramid of numbers in a grassland ecosystem. Here green grass, number of green grass is more than that of primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Here number of primary producers is 58 lakh 42,000 and number of primary consumer is 7,08,000. Secondary number of secondary consumers 3,54,000 and then number of tertiary consumer is 3. It means here number of producer is more than that of number of tertiary consumer. But in case of inverted pyramid, it is opposite. Then here number of producer in this pyramid, inverted pyramid, number of producer is more less than that of tertiary consumer, and this is one of the parasitic food chain. And here always number of producer is less than that of herbivores, parasite, hyperparasites. So it is one of the opposite pyramid than the upright pyramid of numbers. And this is pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is the only type of ecological pyramid which is always upright, as the energy flow in a straight chain is always unidirectional. Also, with every increasing trophic level, some energy is lost into the environment. See here, this is the graphical representation of pyramid of energy. Here written that solar radiation 1 lakh joule solar radiation, it comes from the sun, so it transferred to the producer, and when it transfers solar radiation, when the energy transferred from the solar radiation to the production, then it becomes 10,000 joule because 10% and 10% of energy is lost when it transferred to the producer. Then again energy is transferred from producer to the primary consumer, then also 10% energy is lost, and then energy become 1,000 joule. And then also again energy is transferred from primary consumer to the secondary consumer, and energy become 100 joule because 10% energy is again lost when the energy is transferred from primary consumer to the secondary consumer. And when secondary energy is transferred to the secondary consumer to the tertiary consumer, then also 10% energy is lost, and energy become 10 joule in tertiary consumer. So from this pyramid we learned that 100% or 10% energy is never transferred from one trophic level to the another trophic level. Only 10% energy is transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level in a food chain, and other 90% is used at different functions, that is reproduction, respiration and growth, etc., etc. Then come to the pyramid of biomass. A pyramid of biomass is a graphical representation of the total amount of living matter present at each trophic level of an ecosystem, and it can be upright or inverted, and it depends upon the number of producers. Pyramid of biomass is upright in grassland and forest ecosystem, as the amount of biomass present at the producer level is higher than at the top carnivore level. It is inverted in a pond ecosystem, as the biomass of fishes far exceeds the biomass of zooplankton. See here one example of pyramid of biomass in a grassland or forest ecosystem. Here this is an upright pyramid, and here biomass of primary producer is 809 kilogram meter per square, whereas weight of biomass of primary consumer is 37 kilogram meter per square. Then weight of biomass of secondary consumer is 11 kilogram meter per square. Then weight of dry weight or biomass of tertiary consumer is 1.5 kilogram meter per square. And in this pyramid, weight of producer is more than that of weight of tertiary consumer. But in case of inverted pyramid of biomass, here weight of phytoplanktons is less than that of weight of zooplanktons, and phytoplanktons are eaten by zooplanktons. Next, importance of ecological pyramid. What are the importance of ecological pyramids? The importance of ecological pyramid can be explained in the following points. They show the feeding of different organisms in different ecosystems. It shows the efficiency of energy transfer. And next, number 3, the condition of the ecosystem can be mentioned, and any further damage can be prevented. Next, your homework is write the limitations of ecological pyramid. Write it yourself and show me. And today this much only, and thank you very much. And again, one thing, if you have any doubt and queries, then you can ask me freely. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.